Have you ever wondered why sometimes a man's eyes seem to lock on you the moment you walk into the room? Or why certain outfits get you more attention than others? It's not just about how you wear something. The colors you choose play a massive role in what men notice first. Today, we're diving into 6 specific colors backed by science that make men stop and stare. These aren't just guesses or fashion myths. These shades have been studied and proven to grab male attention. Whether you want to make an impression on a date, stand out in a crowd, or just feel more confident knowing what works, this guide will break down what colors truly matter, why they work, and how you can use them. Here's the problem most women face. You pick out an outfit, put effort into your look, but somehow you don't get the kind of attention you expect. Or worse, you feel invisible, like men just don't notice you. You may think it's all about makeup, body language, or style, and those things do matter. But if you miss the power of color, you're leaving a huge chance on the table. Many women don't realize how much color influences attraction, especially in the first few seconds of meeting someone. And that's the harsh reality. Men's brains are wired to respond quickly to visual cues. The color you wear can either make you stand out or blend into the background, often without you even knowing. The question is, which colors actually trigger that instant look? And how do you pick them so men notice you right away? Think about it. You spend money on clothes, skincare, hair, and makeup. You try to smile and be approachable. But if your color choices don't match what men's brains are wired to respond to, you might be putting in effort and still missing the impact. Studies show that men notice certain colors faster and find them more attractive, but many women don't know which colors these are or why they matter. Imagine going to an event or date and feeling like no one really looks your way, all because of something as simple as the color of your dress or top. Or worse, you wear colors you think are flattering, but they don't create that magnetic pull. This leads to frustration, doubt, and even lowering your confidence. But here's the good news. Once you understand which 6 colors work scientifically, you can easily shift your wardrobe and get that instant attention you deserve. Let's cut through the noise and look at 6 colors that have been scientifically proven to catch men's eyes and hold their attention. These colors aren't random. They've been tested in studies on attraction, perception, and even dating behavior. When a woman wears one of these shades, men are more likely to notice her first, remember her longer, and find her more appealing, at least initially. I'll also explain the science behind why each color works and how you can wear it without feeling out of place. Number 1. Red, the ultimate signal of attraction. Red is the color everyone talks about when it comes to attraction, but this is not just a myth. Science backs it up. A landmark study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that men rated women wearing red as more attractive and sexually desirable than women wearing other colors. Researchers suggest that red signals fertility and health, possibly an evolutionary signal linked to attraction. In a 2010 study, men were shown photos of the same woman wearing different colors. The woman in red was consistently rated higher in attractiveness and desirability. Why red works? Red naturally draws attention. It's a color associated with passion, energy, and excitement, all things that catch the eye. It's also linked to biological signals. Some theories suggest that red mimics natural flushing of the skin when a person is attracted or aroused, subconsciously signaling interest and warmth. How to wear red? You don't need to wear a full red dress to make an impact. Even a red accessory like a scarf, lipstick, or handbag can boost attention. Red looks great as a solid color or a bold pattern mixed with neutrals. Make sure the shade of red complements your skin tone. Brighter reds for warmer tones, deeper reds for cooler tones. Number 2. Black, the classic power color. Black is often linked to elegance and sophistication, but it's also one of the first colors men notice. In research published by Psychology Today, black was associated with power, mystery, and seriousness. Men often perceive women wearing black as more confident and dominant, traits that can be very attractive. In a social experiment, men were more likely to approach women dressed in black compared to other neutral colors like beige or gray. Why black works? Black creates contrast, making you stand out especially in lighter or colorful environments. It also signals confidence without shouting for attention. The mystery that black creates plays into intrigue. Men want to know more about someone who appears powerful and self-assured. How to wear black. Classic black dresses or tops are a fail-safe for dates or events. Mixing black with other colors can tone down the formality if you want a more casual look. Black eyeliner, mascara, or a leather jacket can add subtle power to your appearance. Number 3. Blue, the calm and trustworthy shade. Blue is often overlooked in attraction talks, but science says it's one of the most noticed colors for a reason. A study published in Evolution and Human Behavior found that men rated women wearing blue as more approachable and trustworthy compared to other colors. Blue is linked with calmness and reliability, which subconsciously signals a good partner for long-term relationships. Why blue works. Blue appeals to men because it's soothing and non-threatening. It creates a sense of calm and safety, which is important in attraction beyond just physical desire. It also contrasts well with many skin tones, making features stand out naturally. How to wear blue. Choose deeper blues like navy or royal blue for a sophisticated look. Lighter blues like sky or pastel blue give a fresh, approachable vibe. Blue tops, dresses, or even jeans can subtly influence how men perceive you. By the way, if this is resonating and you've ever found yourself asking, why did he pull away when things were just getting good? We created something just for you. It's called the 7-Step Male Mind Decoder, and it breaks down exactly what's going on in his head. Even when he won't say a word, you'll learn how to read the signals, spot real commitment, and stop second-guessing yourself. The link to download it is in the description. And yes, it's free. Number 4. White, the fresh and pure color. White often symbolizes purity and simplicity, but it's surprisingly powerful in attracting male attention. According to a study from the University of Rochester, men associated women wearing white with youthfulness and innocence. This doesn't mean naivety, but a clean, fresh look that stands out. White is also linked with new beginnings and openness, qualities men find attractive on a subconscious level. Why white works. White reflects light and makes you glow, especially in natural sunlight. It's a clean slate that highlights your natural features without distraction. Wearing white can make a woman appear approachable and genuine. How to wear white. A crisp white blouse or dress can be very eye-catching. Pair white with accessories in strong colors like red or black for a balanced look. Be mindful of the fabric quality. White can look plain if not well chosen. Number 5. Pink, the soft yet noticeable shade. Pink is often thought of as just feminine or sweet, but it has a deeper impact on male perception. Research in the archives of sexual behavior found that men tend to be attracted to softer pink tones because they evoke warmth and approachability. Pink is connected to nurturing and kindness, traits men often associate with comfort and emotional support. Why pink works. Pink sends subtle signals of softness without making you look weak. It's inviting and can evoke feelings of safety. The right pink shades can highlight your skin tone and give you a natural glow. How to wear pink. Soft blush or pastel pinks work well for daytime or casual events. Hot pink or fuchsia can be great for parties or nights out. Pink accessories like scarves or shoes add a playful pop without overwhelming your outfit. Number 6. Yellow, the bright attention grabber. Yellow is a color often linked to happiness and energy, but it's also surprisingly effective at catching the eye. A study published in Color Research and Application found that yellow is one of the most attention-grabbing colors in the visual spectrum. Men are drawn to yellow because it signals optimism and energy, traits that create positive first impressions. Why yellow works. Yellow stands out in any setting because it's bright and cheerful. It's a color that naturally pulls attention, even from a distance. However, because yellow can be harsh if too bright, wearing the right tone is key. How to wear yellow. Softer shades like mustard or pastel yellow are easier to wear and still get noticed. Yellow dresses or tops can be great for daytime or casual settings. Pair yellow with neutral colors like white, beige, or black to keep it balanced. Contrast matters. Wearing these colors against your skin tone or surroundings helps you stand out more. Balance with neutrals. If you're unsure about bold colors, pair them with neutral shades like gray, white, or black to tone it down. Confidence is key. No color will work unless you wear it with confidence. Stand tall, smile, and make eye contact. Know the context. Some colors work better in specific settings. Red and black for evening or dates, blue and white for daytime or casual. Why these colors work? Red signals passion and desire. Black conveys power and mystery. Blue shows calmness and trust. White highlights purity and freshness. Pink expresses warmth and kindness. Yellow grabs attention with energy and optimism. Each color taps into male psychology in unique ways. When you use these strategically, men are more likely to notice you first, feel drawn to you, and remember you longer. If you want to get more attention from men, start by paying close attention to your color choices. These 6 colors aren't just pretty shades. They have real psychological impact. Next time you pick out an outfit, ask yourself, am I wearing a color that makes men stop and stare? If not, try one of these 6 shades and watch the difference. Remember, attraction is complex and personal, but color is one of the easiest and most powerful tools you have at your disposal. So go ahead, wear that red dress, that navy blouse, or that soft pink top. Science says men will notice. If you're tired of guessing what he's thinking and you're ready to attract a man who actually shows up the way you deserve, go grab your free copy of the 7-Step Male Mind Decoder. It's helped thousands of women cut through the confusion and finally feel confident in love again. Just click the link in the description to get instant free access.